In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer or deposit fiat money using a Visa credit or debit card to your Binance account in 2025. It's important to keep in mind that the exact options, fees, and availability can vary depending on your country, local regulations, and even your identity verification status. So, let's dive right in. To start, open up the Binance app or visit their website, ensuring you're logged into the correct account. It might seem like a basic step, but being on the right account is crucial for a smooth transaction process. Once you've verified you're in the right place, look for the option labeled Buy Crypto or Deposit Fiat in the app's menu. Sometimes you might also see Add Funds or a similar phrase. Navigate through and select Fiat and Spot or Bank/Card Deposit. These are typically the sections where you'll manage fiat transactions. Now, when it comes to choosing a payment method, select Credit Debit Card. Specifically, you'll need to choose Visa. In some menus, it could be labeled as Bank Card, Visa, MasterCard, or something similar, so just ensure Visa is the option selected for your deposit. If you haven't yet added your Visa card to Binance, this is the time to do it. Input the necessary card details, your card number, expiry date, CVV, and the cardholder's name. Additionally, make sure to add the billing address that's associated with your card. It's essential to have these details accurate to avoid any processing errors. Once you have your card information set up, be prepared for any additional verification steps that might be required. Binance or your bank might prompt you with a one-time password or require 3D, secure verification. These layers of security are there to protect your funds, ensuring that only you can authorize the transaction. With everything set up, it's time to decide how much fiat currency you want to deposit. As you enter the amount, Binance will display the equivalent amount of cryptocurrency you'd receive if you're buying crypto directly. If you're simply depositing fiat, it'll show the amount landing in your fiat wallet after accounting for fees. Speaking of fees, keep an eye on them. Binance typically charges a fee for credit or debit card deposits, often around 1.8% for many regions, unless there are special promotions. It's wise to review these details carefully to avoid surprises. After reviewing the amount, card details, and fees, confirm the transaction. Your bank might send you a notification to further authorize the transaction through SMS, email, or their app. It's a quick step, but essential to ensure everything goes smoothly. Once confirmed, your funds should arrive almost instantly. If there are any delays, they might be due to bank or card compliance holds. When your deposit finalizes, feel free to use your fiat funds to invest in crypto. Or if you bought crypto directly, it should now appear in your spot wallet, ready for your next trading move.